In this video, you're going to learn 9 content ideas for YouTube without showing your face. Now, this is Daniel P. Robertson here, and this channel is all about sharing my journey with you as I work on growing an online business with affiliate marketing so you can learn and grow with me. And so YouTube is a great platform. It's a great way to get yourself out there. It's a great platform for creating content. It's great for a search engine. You can rank for search terms in Google and in YouTube. So it's a great way to create content to grow an affiliate marketing business or really any kind of online business. And so these ideas can show you, a lot of time it's really scary to think about putting your face on a video in front of people. So these ideas can help you to still grow a channel, still grow a business on YouTube without showing your face, if that helps you to not be so nervous about that. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, the first one is a slideshow video, kind of like this one right here, where I have a slideshow up and I'm just talking you through the slideshow. Next idea is a screen share tutorial, which is also similar to what I'm doing right here, because if you look over here, you can see this is Justin Bryant. All he really does is just does different videos where he's not showing his face. He's just he's walking through different things like different websites and things like that. So, I mean, if you take a look, you can see
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good.
Like you can see
Hey guys,
here,
Justin
got,
Bryant here from
this video here, and he
selfmadesuccess.com
walks you
that will
through
cover working on small
different ideas
for
like
Rabbit.
different
In
websites
TaskRabbit,
and different ways.
those are the types of things you can do,
Like you
and you can do a lot
jobs
without to the next
online
level. I would recommend
to
Upwork.
make some money.
You can get quite a bit of work,
He just taught you to
different
like some of these
industries,
websites and how
depending
you
on
can
what.
use them.
Just
So
click
that's
here
one
that
way
says
to do
get
it.
paid to test and get
Another
started
would be
there.
an
Or
example
there's
of
other
like
ones as well. There's 10
if you were to
others that you
search
might
for
consider, like Enroll. You have Startup Lift, Testing Time, Try My UI.
you're going to see a lot of these different tutorials are going to be, just like not showing any face, like how to use software. So that's another idea.
To create.
All right, so
Now,
there's that one.
select all the three
So the
layers,
next
then
idea
right-click and
is a
choose
whiteboard
Convert to Smart
animation.
Object.
So some examples of that would be, just these different videos that show things. Like here's one.
Hello,
So there's different
I'm
software
Arthur, and
that
I
you
buy
can
houses
use to
faster than
actually
anyone
create
in
videos
town.
like
Are you
this.
in need of a cash
If you don't
payment
have
for your
the
house
skill
in its
to create
current
this yourself,
condition
there's software that can
or
do it for you.
circumstances? Do you need to sell quickly?
Now then the next one is talking head video, but with a costume or a mask. Did I skip ahead? No, I guess I did. Okay. So this would be like Marshmallow is kind of known for making all kinds of different videos, not just talking head videos. He makes all kinds of different videos just wearing a mask. So you can see he does a
Hello,
tutorial
loves,
video here.
and welcome to episode
That's kind of how that
22 of
play
Cooking.
out. It's just a kind of maybe an interesting way to stand out a little bit, be a little unique, but not show your face. All right. So the next one, you can do a CGI animation video, which, I mean, you might need some technical skills to pull something like this off, or I'm guessing, let's try that. I'm guessing there's software that can help you do it. Anyway, so there's that. Drawing animation, okay. That's another kind of similar idea, except for instead of CGI, it's more like something like this. And it looks like here's an example of a software that can help you do that. So.
Hi guys, this is Julie. I'm going.
Video gameplay, of course, playing video games. Something that a lot of people do, and a lot of people do show their faces on these, like something like this, where it's up in the corner. Or there's a lot of people who will just not show their face at all, or sometimes I've even seen people use an animated character as the person who's playing the video game. So that's another idea. You can also use dolls and toys to act as characters in a video. So that's like these Beanie Boo videos where they just show these dolls just telling a story, or I guess they could even do some kind of tutorial, or I don't know. That might be kind of weird. I mean, yeah, stop motion tutorial. There's one way. Anyway, next idea, you could do first person point of view video. So kind of like a vlog, but it's like maybe you are wearing like a
This
GoPro or something
is Tyler.
like that.
Tyler, with Grammarly's help, is writing an email to his boss, Anita. Tyler sits just 15 feet away, though it can feel like the distance to Antarctica, approximately.
Let's skip that.
So I'm currently working in collaboration with BPay by Barclaycard, and they sent me their 3 BPay devices to test out. I thought the best way
Like a vlog. So those are some kind of cool ideas of how you can grow a channel without showing your face. So if you like this video, go ahead and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.